Hi guys, today's recipe is an East Village special and it's also the last of the season. It's a ginger and carrot soup. Check it out. I'm gonna start with 50 milliliters of olive oil and 60 grams of onions, finely chopped. So it's important to fry the onion on a medium to low heat and allow it to caramelize this time. Then we add the chopped carrots that we're also gonna saute. So there goes 1 kilo of carrots. While the carrots and onions are frying and caramelizing, I'm gonna be chopping the rest of my ingredients. I'm gonna chop about 4 scallions, and 60 grams of ginger that I'm gonna peel and then grate. So over a plate, I'm gonna finally grate the ginger because I want all the flavor, but I don't want the fibers. It's important to only use what's inside of the grater. It's about 60 grams. Then I'm gonna add to the carrots and onions. You can see the nice color, caramelized color. This will add a lot of flavor to the soup. I'm gonna add the ginger and the green onion. Now add a liter of water. So to that we're gonna add 1 cube of vegetable stock, organic. So for all recipes that include cream, I like to add some nutmeg. It suits this recipe very well. And of course, black pepper. ,100 grams of fresh cream and 60 grams of Parmesan cheese that I already grated. I'm gonna cover this and let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes on medium-low heat. So after 8 minutes, I'm gonna check if the carrots are cooked by poking them. They should be very tender. They are. Turn off the heat and blend it. So after blending it, you get a taste for salt. Definitely need some. Now the soup is ready. You can have it this way, it's healthier, or simply strain it into a bowl for a nicer texture. Finish it up with some Parmesan. And drizzle some olive oil. It's amazing. And it's very rich and creamy. It's a very different kind of soup than the previous ones, but it's definitely one of my favorites. If you like this video, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for many more to come. Cheers.